Hi and welcome to the 10 square metre workshop. I'm Mike and today, pegboard. There are many forms of tool storage in a workshop and all can be valid depending on the tool and its use.
Buried at the back of a cupboard is my wall chaser. I haven't used it in the last year and I'm unlikely to use it in the next. Access for something like this is not very important.
But for tools used regularly, good access is needed. Pegboard is one of the fastest access systems there is. You need a tool, you can see it, you pick it up, and it's returned just as easily. It's fallen out of favour in recent years. It could be just a fashion thing, but also it can seem to be too much of a hassle to set up. In particular, the hooks and fitments needed to support the tools are seen as an issue. You can buy them, but you don't know what you need until you start hanging them. To me, this is the answer. Garden wire, 1.5mm, that's 16 or 17 SWG, comes in handy reels and can be bought on eBay or other suppliers. It is easily formed using long nose pliers and you can bend it into almost any shape. Hook arrangements like this are the matter of seconds and can be easily made. It can be formed to be exactly right for any particular tool, such as this double hook. Items with handles are easier. But almost any shape can be managed. There's still a place for screws and nails, of course.
A pegboard system can put a lot of tools within easy reach. You can add containers for small items. Group things together. You want a saw, you know where they are. The wire holders need two hooks to clip to the pegboard. Shape the arms to hold the tool lightly.
Using pegboard to store your most used tools can save you hours. I do recommend it.